Did you know that in the 16th century, a peculiar belief spread that sneezing could be a sign of demonic possession? This quirky idea stemmed from the notion that sneezes expelled evil spirits from the body. In fact, people would say, "God bless you," to protect the sneezer from any lurking demons. This practice was so widespread that it became a cultural norm, persisting even today as a polite response to sneezing. So, next time you sneeze, remember its amusing historical roots and the quirky fear of demons it once represented. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales.